Here's a couple exponent property problems that you might find confusing. Looking at number 14, we have to remember that the 0 next to the x only applies to the x. The 3 actually has an exponent of 1. So this one can be just simplified to 3. And since x to the 0 is 1, that'd be 3 times 1 is just 3. And number 15, we've got to remember that the 2 is going to get distributed to the exponents in the problem. I just added a 1 next to the 2 and a 1 next to the 3 and a 1 next to the y to emphasize that 2 will now be to the power of 2. X to the power of 3 is 3 times 2 is x to the power of 6. And then 3 to the power of 2 times 1 is 2, and y to the power of 2. From there, we can further simplify by knowing that 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 3 to the power of 2 is 9, so we get 4/9, and x to the power of 6, and y to the power of 2. Another problem that we might find confusing is number 25. I'm going to distribute the 2 to the exponents in the problem, so I get x to the power of 6, y to the power of -2, and then to the exponents in the bottom part of the problem over x to the power of -8, y to the power of 16. I noticed that I have a couple of negative exponents, and I need to make those positive by moving the one on top to the bottom and the one on the bottom to the top. So now I'm going to have x to the power of 6 times x to the power of +8, and then y to the power of +2 and y to the power of 16. Now I can just add those, so I end up with 6 plus 8 is 14, and 2 plus 16 is 18.